In a world full of uncertainties, many things can happen beyond prediction. In our daily journeys, we are often faced with unexpected situations. Rapid changes, sudden challenges, and the need for smart, adaptive solutions are increasingly evident across various sectors. Yet, amidst all this uncertainty, there is one thing you can rely on: evolving technology, and METABUILD has the solution. We deliver innovative solutions designed to address the complexities of the modern world through three core pillars: artificial intelligence, integration middleware, and digital twins. In particular, METABUILD offers intelligent digital twin solutions that leverage these innovative technologies in the transportation sector to help prevent accidents, reduce congestion, and operate roads more efficiently. METABUILD's world's first traffic digital twin and traffic radar system is an advanced traffic management platform that detects the speed and location of vehicles driving on the road in real time and stores and manages this as traffic data. METABUILD analyzes real-time traffic data collected through sensors such as radar and CCTV installed on the road, using AI to implement actual road traffic situations as virtual digital twins. This system can detect abnormal road conditions more accurately than CCTV, making it effective for immediate response, increasing efficiency, and reducing cases such as unexpected situations and accidents caused by speed and location of vehicles, wrong-way driving, stopped vehicles, and pedestrians on roads. In Korea, we have reduced accidents, developed a new traffic operation management paradigm by installing radars on highways and national roads, built and building and operating digital twins through Ministry of Land Infrastructure and Transportation and the Korea Expressway Corporation, and implemented smart intersections by installing 800 radars in Songnam City.
METABUILD has been a trusted partner for over 25 years, providing the best solutions to solve socially challenging problems. We provide robust solutions that help you understand the root of any problem and support decision-making by collecting, analyzing, and visualizing real-world data anytime, anywhere.
METABUILD, turning challenges into opportunities. Together, let's build a smarter and more connected future.